Accidentally deleted an important file from Mega. Don't panic just yet. In this guide, I'll show you how to check Mega's rubbish bin, restore a deleted file or folder, and what to check if the item is no longer available. So let's take a look. First, open Mega and sign in to the account where the file was originally stored. Once you're inside your cloud drive, look for the rubbish bin. This is where recently deleted files may be available for recovery. Open the rubbish bin and look through the deleted items. Find the file or folder you want to recover. Pay attention to the name and location so you don't restore the wrong item. If you have lots of deleted files, use the available search or sorting tools if your interface provides them. Once you find the right item, select it and open the available actions or context menu. Look for the restore or move option. The exact wording and menu layout can vary depending on the current Mega interface, so focus on the option that returns the item to your cloud drive. If Mega asks where you want to restore the item, choose the original location or another folder in your cloud drive. Confirm your selection and allow Mega a moment to move the file back. Once complete, return to the selected folder and check that the file appears. After restoring the file, open it to make sure it works correctly. Check the file name, type, and contents. If it's an important document or project file, make sure everything you need is still there. It's better to verify the recovery right away. If you can't find the deleted file in the rubbish bin, recovery may not be possible through the normal restore process. Check your other Mega folders, synced devices, and any separate backups you may have. Also, avoid assuming a permanently removed file can always be recovered. And that's how to restore an available deleted file in Mega. Open the rubbish bin, find the item, use the restore or move option, and verify the file afterward. So if you regularly store important data in Mega, keeping an additional backup is still a smart idea.